How to create events on Qasa. Visit events.qasa.me. Log in or sign up if you're not a user yet. Go to Create Events from the left side navigation menu. Provide the details for your event by completing the form on this page. Note: image size should be 2 megabytes or less for image upload to work effectively. You can also upload multiple images. Take a final look before going live. 1. Review your event details. 2. Click the Preview button. 3. Check how everything looks. Once you're happy and you're ready to publish, hit the Publish button to finalize your event. After publishing, you'll see a message. Event added successfully. As an event admin, you can find your newly added event by going to the Publish section on the Event Admin page.
Kindly note, newly created events will show up on the Qasa landing page 24 hours after creation.
Thanks for watching.